you do not need millions of views in order to make YouTube shorts worth posting. I know you're probably upset because you're seeing a whole bunch of low quality shorts get millions of views and you're not able to replicate that success. But you do not need all those views in order to make YouTube shorts worth posting for you. I've been posting YouTube shorts on and off for a while now, and I now realize that one of the reasons why I would stop sometimes is because I had the wrong mindset going into posting the shorts. My shorts views used to fluctuate all the time, and I would go from having tens of thousands of views to having only a couple thousand. And because of that, I would stop posting them altogether because I thought it wasn't worth the effort. But it wasn't until I saw Alex Hormozi's strategy for his YouTube shorts that I realized I was thinking about it all the wrong way. He broke down how he uses YouTube shorts as a wide breakdown of a topic, and then he uses long form videos as a deep breakdown of a topic. So he doesn't need tens of millions of views on his shorts. All he needs to do is have somebody get interested in one of his shorts and then go into one of the long form videos to get a deeper breakdown of that topic. And when I went to go look at how many views his shorts get, they really don't get too many views. And even though they don't, I still see his videos all the time, and he's one of the fastest growing creators on the platform right now. So now knowing that, what is the best way to use shorts in 2024? It's by not making them the main focus of your channel, but by using them in tandem with long form videos in order to grow your channel faster than you could have ever done it before. It's by realizing that every view counts, even if your shorts are only getting 100 views per short. And that's why I'm going to break down the 3 steps to my long-term plan for making the most of every YouTube short I upload. So the first thing that you could use shorts for is for algorithm alignment. If you don't know already, the more videos you upload, the more YouTube understands who your ideal viewer is and who to push your videos out to. So the more videos you upload, the more you're going to have people that actually enjoy your content, getting you a higher CTR and a higher average view duration. And that's one of the reasons why shorts is so good, because you can build up your content library a lot faster so that YouTube understands your ideal audience a lot faster also. And one of the best ways to do this is by having your description and your tags match your short. But because you're uploading so many shorts, it can be hard to keep up. So what you can do is go to ChatGPT and insert your script of your video and ask it to generate you a description and tags for that video. And since you have an accurate description of your video, YouTube is going to be able to push out your video to the actual people that want to watch it. And the more you keep doing this, the more it's just gonna be a cycle of YouTube learning your ideal viewer over and over. The second step is content repurposing. The main thing to understand is that you can get so much more out of every piece of content now. So if you create one long form video, you'll be able to cut those up into 3 to 5 short form videos. So for that one piece of content, you now get 3 to 5 extra pieces of content. But then you can also do the reverse. When you find a short that people enjoy, whether it has a lot of likes on it or it has a lot of views or it's just an outlier, you'll be able to know that that's what your audience wants. And using the wide breakdown and the deep breakdown, you can take a short and dive deeper into it on a long form video if people enjoy the short a lot. So this means that people that do not have a lot of time can make the most out of their time if they use it strategically with shorts. So whether you have a full-time job, you have to go to school, or you're just straight up lazy, you can make more out of the time that you get to use. And the third step is to use shorts for rapid improvement. So when I came back onto YouTube a while ago, I decided to start off my new channel with shorts. And I think that shorts was one of the reasons why I started again, because I saw it as a low risk, high reward thing that I knew wouldn't take me much to get back into. I didn't have to spend hours and hours on one long form video just for it to get 10 views. I spent a lot less time on each short and they ended up getting tens of thousands of views. But I think that the best part that I ended up realizing now is that I actually improved so much faster because I was able to try out so many different things with each short. I was able to try out different edits, try out recording different ways, try out different titles and tags and descriptions. And doing that over and over and over again, I was able to learn so much faster than I ever could have if I just posted one long form video a week. So if you're going to be posting shorts, you need to know that you can improve so much faster at YouTube overall. Don't just focus on getting the most views possible. Focus on building your skills as a creator through YouTube Shorts, because right now YouTube Shorts is going to level out the playing field for everybody. Everybody's going to have a chance at views, even if you're just a new YouTuber coming in with barely any skills. You're not going to be stuck with getting 10 views every single long form video you post, not knowing what you did right and what you did wrong. You'll be able to get views right off the bat and know what you should focus on and what you need to improve on. And here's the best part. The more that you align with the algorithm, the more you repurpose old content, and the more that you improve off the feedback, you're not just growing your channel, you're growing as a creator. And that's how you're going to win in 2024 with YouTube Shorts.